What is up, YouTube? Glad to have you guys back. Before we get this video started, I want to say thank you to everyone who is still watching, still with us. If you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, just please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're trying to grow our channel. If there's anything that you guys recommend us to do, if it's challenges, if it's, whatever the case may be, tours, like car tours, whatever the case may be, we're willing to go ahead and film it. Definitely trying to take our channel to the next level. So you guys comment down below what you guys would like to see, and we'll for sure make it happen for you guys. But before we get this video started, just wanted to say thank you for anyone who is still watching. We were able to purchase our first property last year. We just never had the chance to film it, and we thought right now would be the perfect opportunity just because it is the holiday season. The house is decorated with Christmas trees, Christmas decorations and stuff in that nature. So we thought it would be the perfect home tour. I guess we'll call it a Christmas home tour or holiday home tour. And we'll run with that. But, just wanted to see what you guys think about it. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick intro, see how everyone's been doing. And I hope everyone is doing fine. Everyone's healthy this holiday season. That's what it's primarily all about. But, just kind of wanted to, get in touch with you guys first. But, let's hop into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the crib. Now, guys, as soon as you step in, you have our kitchen. Look at the lovely granite countertops. I really love this kitchen with the stainless steel appliances. And then if you look more towards the left, you have our dining room table. It's kind of small, but it works out. It works for us. I never had a dining room table in the kitchen, but since this is a townhome, that's kind of how it comes. But like I said, it's a very nice kitchen, very open. I like it, especially for this the situation that we're in right now. It works out for the best of us. Do not mind the Tito's and the 1800 on the counter. That's only for celebration. But yeah. Next, let's move into the bathroom. Now, this is the half bathroom. It's the one that relies downstairs for mostly guests. You have a half bathroom with just your little vanity and your toilet. We also added this on top with the Febreze bottle, the baby wipes if anyone does need it, um, and it just works out. Next, we're moving into the living room. Now, this is where we spend most of our time. Shout out to Jocelyn and Isaiah right there. I know she wanted to be in this video. She's actually been waiting for this video. I just been delaying a bit. But yeah, let's talk more about this. This living room. This living room is very, very spacious. It works out for us, like I said. And here's our holiday decor. Um, we just love every aspect of it. We have our holiday pillows, the gnome. That's always our theme. We may have to switch it up next year because we've been doing the gnome for quite so long. We also added up those shelves from Amazon, and then I just want to give you guys another look from the living room. I mean, it's just a beautiful space. We have our TV on the wall, just like every typical other family. Then we have our countdown to Christmas right there, our lanai that I didn't show because it's so messy with toys, and then our lovely Christmas tree. We've been having that tree for like almost 3 years now, and then our bench. So it's just a lovely, lovely spot. I love being there. Next, guys, it's the upstairs, but for some reason I recorded going down instead of vice versa, going up. So please apologize me going down. It's supposed to be the other way, so I do apologize. Now, guys, we're finally upstairs, our long hallway. Now, this is where we kind of reside most of the time if we're not in the living room, because this is where the rooms are at. This is where we lay our heads to sleep. This is where I work majority of the time. This is where Isaiah plays when he does come home from school. So now what we're going to do is step in to his bathroom. Now, look again, guys, at the granite. Just a lovely, lovely bathroom. Very spacious for him. Um, we also have a Paw Patrol theme. So Paw Patrol, if one of your executives are watching this or marketing, shout out to you guys. And send us more stuff. My son is in love with your show. My son's also potty training. So please excuse that potty seat on the toilet. And shout out to Paw Patrol because I love the way that this decor came out in the bathroom. And look for it, guys, the chase rug. Now that right there is nice. I never seen anything like it, so I really enjoy that chase rug. Next, we're gonna move into Isaiah's room. Now, this room is lovely. I mean, if I was a kid at his age, at 4 years old, with a room like this, I'd be freaking out. Because think about it, you have all your nice clothes, and then you have all your toys. And really, he doesn't need all these toys. It's just it's just him being him. So we have his name on the wall, Isaiah. We made his bed, so it doesn't always look like this, guys. Toddler is never gonna look like this. But for the video, we had to clean it up. His two-tone dressers, his TV on the wall. He loves watching Bluey. The Matchbox City right there. And yeah, like I said, this room is just spacious for him. He loves it. Next, what we're doing is stepping into the office slash makeup room. So this is where I spend consistently majority of my day. It's just right here in this office. This is where I work my regular job, where I edit my videos, where I do music. I do, I'm not a three-sport athlete, but I do it all. If it's on the web, I do have to get better at social media, though. I must admit. But yeah, I love this space. This is when Bethany does her makeup. Like I said, it always doesn't look that nice, but for the video, we cleaned it up. Shout out to all the women out there. I know how messy makeup gets, so shout out to y'all. And then now, guys, we're stepping into the master bedroom. Now, probably one of the best rooms in the whole house, just because this is where my comfortable bed is at. We went for a gray vibe. There's our dresser with our TV, and I love the gray wall. It just makes the room pop out even more. And it just kind of matches the theme of our decorations. We have these two little decorations on the wall. I'm not sure, but I think they're from Amazon. So shout out Amazon. And then yeah, there's our whole decor, the gray setting. I just like it. It's not too dull. It's not too dark. It's just gray and white, and it just makes the room pop out even more, especially with the natural lighting from the window. So I couldn't be any more grateful for this room. Next, guys, we're stepping into the master bathroom. Like I said, look at that granite countertop. I mean, that granite is all over the place. It's on all the bathrooms, the kitchen, and we added our own twist to it. If you look to the left, you have those shelves. We installed those shelves, bought it from Amazon, and then we went ahead and bought a fake plant from Amazon. So, like I said, shout out to Amazon. We should honestly make a storefront and then have you guys look at everything that we have in our home if you wish to have it in yours. But guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for, keep watching our vlogs. And like I said, more videos to come this year. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.